You have also signed the legal employment contract of Alphatech Digital Service, and now you receive this legal notice that you have not completed the work. You have to come to the court, police station against you, FIR, and the case has been registered because you have done a breach of contract. So in that situation, company initially they tell you that much amount of work you have to do, and then messages that you have taken the work. And after firstly they take your ID proof, photographs, signatures, and then tell you initially that we are providing you online part-time home based work which you can do from your home with the help of your laptop or smart mobile phone, and per month you can earn 25 to 30,000 rupee. And you started doing the work, but due to any reason if you're not able to complete, or in between you want to left out, or even if you complete they say accuracy is not there as per their term and condition, and you have to pay the penalty, maintenance, court fee, legal fees to cancel the agreement, or server charges, otherwise legal action will be taken against you. Legal notices will be sent to your given address, and you have to come to the court and police station. In lakhs of rupee you have to pay. In case you are also getting these type of threatening messages or calls, no need to worry. Our lawyer is going to advise you each and everything so that you don't have to worry to pay any amount to them or facing any legal issue or getting any legal notice to your given address. Just WhatsApp us and get our help, save your time and money, and come out from this situation. Live your life with love, peace and happiness. For help, contact us, like the video, share it, subscribe our channel.